Errands Webb Kun.
Hi. Good morning, guys. We are on the road. Today is Sunday. Vanessa has a few more days left with us. And actually, we are bringing back the car today, which is so sad. It is so sad. Because let me tell you, like, I have been living my best. I don't know if I said my voice is gone, but yeah. Whatever Aiden had, she gave Vanessa. Yeah, man, it's clear. Whatever Aiden had, she gave Vanessa, and then whatever Vanessa had, she gave me. So it's like I'm struggling.
They call him my nephew she?
You she.
So
what did I say?
Before me, you said whatever Aiden had, she.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Don't call my nephew no she, you know. Okay.
I'm so sorry, Aiden. Whatever Aiden had, he gave it to.
That's right.
To Van, and then Van gave it, like, I don't know, like Adam is the only one that has flown by, and actually I heard him, like, you know, so he might be catching something. So yeah, so yeah, we're bringing back the car. We're supposed to bring back the car today at 4 p.m. So we have a few errands to run. So today's Sunday, so Adam is doing his, you know, his online coaching business, which, by the way, let me do a plug for my husband, okay? Like, period. If you know, or if you know anybody that is interested in taking like CXC English and literature classes, if they want one-on-one coaching, you know, you have some students that are really struggling with English and it's like a must pass subject in the Caribbean to, you know, like go to tertiary education, stuff like that. So sorry. Maybe that's why nobody does sponsor because I got cough in the ad. But if you know anyone that's interested in taking one-on-one lessons, or also he does coaching for teachers as well, teachers of English language and literature, I will leave his channel down below. I'll leave his email down below, and I'll also put it on the screen so you can't tell me say you miss it. Okay. So yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend if you know anybody that's interested in that. But usually on Sundays is when he's doing his workshop, so I usually have Aiden in the morning. So today we're making a few errands. I was talking on the phone with a friend of mine, a subscriber turned friend, love her so much, and she had chicken foot, and from she says so, this one want chicken foot. So we're going to go to Gyomu supermarket to see if we can find any chicken foot there, and we have to make a stop at Nittery. I wonder if but we stop at Nittery when we are come up. Yeah, green. That's right. Aiden's favorite color is green, you guys. So every time he sees something green, he's like, green. He's talking so much these days too. It's like, it's crazy. But yeah, we have a few stops. We're gonna go to Gyomu. We need to stop at Nittery. We need to stop at the supermarket. Might stop at Daiso. My sis needs to go to the like nail tech. We're not sure if she's gonna do anything, but kind of like wanna see available services if she's interested in any of that. Yeah, because she's a hot girl, you know, so when fair nails them look like that, she's stressed out. Yes. Me know me wear them till them drop off. Then me start consider going back. But you know, the other day I did really depend on this self-care, so I was doing my nails every month, you know. Yeah. But then shit hit the fan.
I don't know, so literally 1 month or maybe 2 days or so now I have on these.
Oh.
A whole month coming them from my birthday.
Okay. Yeah.
They hold up pretty good though.
Yeah. The thing though in Japan is that you don't find a lot of acrylic here and at the real estate agency. This time I use. Yeah. Get the house.
Okay.
What was I saying? Yeah, you don't find a lot of acrylic nails done here. So I like mostly gel nails, and like when you find somebody that does do the acrylic, it just not stay good.
Yeah. You know, look like some fingernail I'm about to cut off before I reach home.
So no man, the one who me I carry gun now, she do nice extensions.
Okay.
But you know, like over the years I've been like testing.
Right. I couldn't find no.
Right.
Go Ian first or no?
I mean we pass Ian. We could get the nail tech.
Okay.
Can we pass Ian? So So yeah, I'm just picking up the camera today as we run some errands and stuff, especially because we're going to be walk, foot and bus takers after today. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, like this, it really makes us Mark, you know, it's in the works for us to like get a car, get our license and stuff sorted out within next year. It's on the books, it's gonna get done. But it's like when you have the experience like this, it's like you get motivated over yourself
even more.
Yeah, you get motivated to like even, you know, put it, because it's like, oh my god, I want to have this feeling ASAP. So wait, you have to turn at the stoplight or you can go straight? Can you go straight?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
A lane, I must say. It's a straight lane.
Oh, you can go straight. Yeah, so that's what's on the agenda. Aiden is like in the car seat around there. Aiden, say hi.
Hi. Aiden Webb Coon.
Hi.
See, Auntie, don't forget it for talking. That's why I start talking little more now. Aiden, say cheese.
What you put on the cheese?
Yeah, man, cheese.
Alright, so that's what we're up to. So I will keep you guys posted.
Tell her.
Hi.
Oh my god, babe, you look so good. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, my love. You gonna go down? Whoa, going down. Yeah. Good job. Good job, babe. Yes, Mama shows that I'm walking. Hi, babe. Hi. Come to stop it.
So that's one go.
Alright, so we like right here. Not up in at the top, not down at the back, like right here, so that when me, you know, when me asleep, me comfortable. You're dry now?
Yeah.
You want to put little mousse in it too? And look, Vaseline in it too. Like how you in it, just might as well. Just work it.
Okay, no guac.
Guac after. Ay.
Sis is leaving tomorrow, guys.
Oh my god. So I talk about it, I may make me stress out, no man.
No, why you stress out? So you can change it.
So that stress me out to people. She keep on a remind me. Because I pack up, me now go down, I pack up my things them.
I wonder why. Why pack if you're gonna stay?
Hey then. Come here and come get eating some sugar now. You're the next one from man. And just go like say, you don't want to get eating the sugar. You know too. Your mother tell you. Babes?
You know, actually, I feel a little sad for Aiden, you know. As usual, you know, Bali over my pick me already, so.
Oh, baby.
I wonder what, like, how am I going to feel?
When you come tomorrow,
when
you
you
look
come
for me
and
now.
see you. Yeah.
No, look for me.
And me, you know, like, I'm not ready for that.
Just make sure to say, you know, go already. Moving forward, you need to video call him and, you know, yes, if you can play with you, right? Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come here. Hey. Ellen.
Shit, man, she's a area girl.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. You see this, so? Too tight. Guys, me lose one of my locks. I lost one of my locks in Japan, and I'm leaving it with my nephew. Them ties them. I lose my locks from the root. Alright, where you want me for the now? Where you want me for the pull through? Life of a long red hair girl. Ready again? Yes, sir?
As a hot girl,
The things.
this is the struggle.
The things. Ready again? Alright, you got that one there. Okay.
Whoa.
Guys, this is like 30, maybe like a 32-inch.
Damn.
Yup. It past my knees or it's at my knees.
Yeah, like you pass it back at your knee. Nice goals. Then what?
That's it.
Just like this? Let it go?
Yeah.
Not twirl it round?
Not yet. Tonight. Oh, you want to turn it around? Alright, style the sister here. You're a Bashman style. Next locks, yeah. I have to protect the locks, you know, guys, because, boy, if them drop out, means I'm going to be ball. Means I'm going to have a patch over this, so one patch over this, so. You have earpin? I say I don't need an earpin, because I say tall, it can tuck.
Shit. Me about all this a year and over here just go so.
Yeah, so right now, it's you're up to me, so. Also, my head I go. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. You smell good, though.
Thanks, that's Zara.
You bathe.
I bathe and I put perfume
I put
on.
on perfume and bathe things.
Yep.
Sister, smell good up here.
That's called Zara. High five. High
You want
five.
film ear do too. See them say? And then want film ear do too. Can't manage you know.
Wow, look at your hair.
Guys, my
Wow.
purse empty. I'm tell you, my purse light. My purse light like a car. Watch out. Yeah, you know when the vacation done, you know, when time the purse get like this light like a car.
Yeah, when did I suit this, you know?
You don't want one thing, you want this?
And then I suit that. And then set. Set to the ready guys. Watch out.
Put some in that paper. Guys, it's time for me to go back to the United States of America. Go back to my husband. That's it, basically. Man, what me I go back to?
You take a picture of this?
What's that? The guac something? I had a really good stay though. Had a great time. We did what we want to do. We weren't forced by anyone or pressured by anyone to do anything we don't want to do. We made our daily decisions. We didn't let, you know, things and, cause guys, if you follow my friend, them, you know, I go everywhere in Japan in a look 2 weeks, you know. Because every time them see something we can do a Japan, them a send me. Yeah. Like I tell them say that I come here from. I come spend time with my nephew and my sister and Adam. Yeah. Come here, Aiden. Aiden, come say hi. Come say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Come say hi to the vlog. Say hi, vlog. Come say hi to the vlog. Come. Say hi. What is this? Lay down on my shoulder. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Blow kiss. Blow kiss to yeah. So that him get auntie big kiss all the time. Every morning when him wake up, him come give him TT kiss, and every night before him go in bed, him come give him TT kiss, and no problem. I'm a miss my nerve, but we talk about it, and they should be sending him over soon. You for look around. I walk one.
Why is there a pause?
Yeah, guys. We never need to come look for him auntie and him grandpa in Florida. So yeah, we live in Florida. We live a little foreign, no, not live a big foreign. No. I saw them say a little foreign. With them out of ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, you too. Well, make sure so when you come for a month. You understand? Make sure when you come for 1 month. You're going to have content for kill. So make sure so the camera ready up. Georgia. I have to go to Ohio. I have to come to Florida. That's right. Yep. If you want to take the train, you can, but it's best to fly. Like from Florida to Georgia, most times them have a lot of cheap tickets. Also to Ohio, because I'm telling my friend to come one day before me to leave, just for a weekend, and her trip was maybe like $90-something, $100. So the flights them not too bad in state, in the US, you know? Right, not in state, guys, my bad, but within the US. Oh yeah. They are charged up the power bank. Yeah, you have to make sure when I come just plan 1 month. Just call me and daddy in a one, because we live in the same area, you understand? And daddy just like 10, 15, that's like 15, no not 15, that's like, daddy maybe like 20 minutes away. Everybody else would have to either fly, take the train, or take the bus. Next time you go see them.
Yeah, but really actually no man, you can't.
Guys, I don't understand. Every time I charge my phone, and my phone up on 100%. It's by the time I plug out the charger, it reach 99 and 98. My phone brand new.
The day when I put the road, my phone that was like 15%. And I can put it in my pocket and take it up, it has 74%. So weird.
When they say pocket of charger, you have internal charger in your pocket. Oh my god.
I mean, get my this phone and I get 2 years ago because I got it as a push present when I have Aiden.
Oh, okay.
And I'm buying the phone.
Guys, whoa, that smell they were just past my nose a while ago. Name it name guac ready. You take the picture for me, sis?
No.
More left in that buckle? You should use your finger and wipe out the buckle. Because I see too much green.
Girl?
You can't stay there. Guys, the guac and chips turn up. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I love it. It's ready right now. Sis serve lunch right now. Ooh, look at that creamy goodness.
I don't understand why high.
She not see the. She don't understand what we taste. Cause it not taste like how it tastes to me and the other people that were there at the party. What guys are from Aiden's birthday party. Me am mad out over the guac here. Every time I go in and eat a mall, my ball out guac and cheese. Oh.
Let me just show you the guac.
Guys, let me tell you something tastes good, it tastes good. Try the back come so I can take a picture same time. What that? I love it.
This is the guac. I got it in Caldi Coffee Farm. You know, like international store. Man, I don't get it. I don't get what, like at the party, it was the appetizer. But I look at it, would even make this.
Yeah, I tell you.
Come like everything when we make the people them just eat. Anytime, oh gosh. Curry chicken when we make for ourselves. Nearly done. Now we stand with ground.
I nearly never get nothing.
But this also went very fast. The babies loved this, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm not see it.
It tastes good, man. It tastes so good. Guys, it have the avocado, it have in tomato, it have in onion, and it have in sweet pepper. That's why it's so nice. It's well seasoned, man. You have the thing tough. And plus you put more things in it.
Yeah, I added black pepper, paprika, ground paprika, a little bit of salt. Maybe, may or maybe not, some Maggi all-purpose. Look at garlic powder.
It even tastes good from the buckler. You never have nothing to start using. The other thing that tastes good, ma'am. Watch him.
No?
You know, it's an alien place that they gave me now. I start troubling him.
My chips? Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip. So.
When I'm ready to push it up.
Look, dip, dip, dip. What you make the decision?
If you're living for him, him not dip that. Him not dip it.
Okay, I'm thinking I don't.
No one that. Guys, I have to clean up the bucket first before I start eating that plate.
Excuse me, mate. Don't watch your shit. Nobody don't see your face.
That man. See me on this one I pack. So my closet empty there. One thing up on my jacket and I put on tomorrow.
She a pack. You can imagine? Utmost disrespect. She really a go home.
I am.
Can't believe it. 2 weeks now? Right.
We need a no fingernail finger for going to this.
Need a spoon.
That now got
So, how you feel about Japan?
Guys, I'm not exaggerating. If you have this and when you purchase a one store near you, pick it up.
I don't know, I see the hype. I eat it because, yeah, it can eat, but like, obsessed. When Vanessa obsessed, I don't know. Give me some gungo rice and peas. I'm obsessed over that.
That's for dinner later. That's for dinner later. It's just terrible, man.
Let me turn it down.
Good job. Don't play my nephew. I'm very self-sufficient here. Don't play. One thing with him, make him say do something one time. Just one time he must say. Once I do it one time, that is it. It's over for these people. Oh, a while ago. Come on, let me see this chips. And trust me, we don't want no Errands do with this. Same thing with this for. I same place him put it. Yeah? I don't know where him see that. I've been sure him never come in here with the palm my neck. And him mother confirm say she don't know either. Watch it. Finger nasty. Look at that. Yummy. Yeah guys, him take it up and him put it so. Him hop in it and him put it and then him go so. Thank you.
You eat it, Aiden. Mama is okay.
Eat it, yeah, you eat it. Come.
Thank you. More chips? Chips?
Why am I feed you? Feed yourself.
Thank you.
My ball now guys, it put on him mouth. So yeah. Oh, oh, yummy. Here you go. Let's see.
You eat it. You eat it. You eat it.
Ah, come get it. Nice. Nice. Here. Him not reject it fully, no. Him reject it in about not 100% because it depend on him lips still. Your time. Man, you just come out of our plate now. Just come out of our plate now. My lick off it, my lick it off, guys. But him don't want it too.
Thank you.
I don't know why Eden choose it. Why Eden think him what feed with?
No, something for you. Give Titi. Give Titi.
Thank you.
There you go.
Dip it first. Good job. Come. Thank you. Kyle?
What is for me?
Eden, this I said my feed with today.
Okay.
Very full. Very full. No more. No more.
Finish.
Done. Finish.
Finish.
Why finish some more in there? Me finish. Me finish. 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 Your turn. My turn to feed you. Your turn. Come. Your turn. Here. Yeah, your turn. Your turn. So leave me and my mouth and leave my sister and her mouth, you know?
Alright, don't cry. Here. Teacher.
Miserable, see? I'm not smile with you. Take it. You can't go lock off your stove. You can't go lock off your stove, Eden.
Turn off.
Turn off your stove.
Turn off.
Look at chips, you're fried them.
Turn it off. Turn it off. I 100% feel as if Aiden could live by himself. Independent, bad.
I think I took a picture of this sample for them number.
You can drive, okay?
I think I took a picture of it.
So how you feel about your trip? How you feel about Japan as a whole?
Japan, I don't tell them already, you know. Everything too small, so my body big. I mean, it look a bit extra than Japan people them. But everything, guys, even the bread, you buy a loaf of bread, a 6 slices of bread you get in a pack. Something can go so. I want beer one time eat. Beer one time eat. So if you follow them here, everything add up, you know. Everything add up. But all in all, I had a good time. As me say, we do what we wanted to do. We had a lot of family time. We had games night. We had movie night. We have play dates. We go shopping. We go excursion. Yeah, we do what we want for them. And I had a great time. We drive up and down. We return the rental was sad. Yeah.
I miss the girl, man. I miss her. ETC card is not inserted.
Go ahead and daycare a couple days, meet Eden teacher, and all and all. Japan not owe me nothing. If them could have said, alright, stay a little longer, I'm pay you every fortnight, that's there.
Put it on the motor while I there you go, babe. Your turn. You wanna try? What are you doing? You wanna try? You wanna try? You wanna try?
Guys, him back up. Careful. Careful. Him back up, guys. Aiden, I'm not play with them mouth. I'm not play with them taste buds. I'm not play with them. I think they'll cut this. My nephew? I'm not play. Come like him, auntie. Hey, we don't yummy. Hey, we don't yummy. We don't eat it.
Taste it.
Yeah. You taste it, babe. Alright, come. I'm gonna give him something. And I'm not bad. And go on bad. And they put in their mouth is a win. Make sure you say add it to him eating list.
Really, I'm sure should I make some more fried dumpling tonight, yeah?
Okay. I say I'll make some fried dumpling later.
Yeah. With rice.
Fried dumpling and chicken.
Fried dumpling, rice and peas, chicken,
And pasta. Belly run tonight. And we have games night tonight, you know. The man called last night we supposed to play games on girl. And guys, boy, I don't know. A piece of sleep take I over there. When me done eat my dinner, I say, sis, I soon come. Next time I wake up, my room door lock up them, lock me in this backside. Yeah.
Just watch Squid Games. Well, me alone watch Squid Games since Adam was working.
Alone. Alright, I'm asleep. I'm going to get about 11 to 12 hours sleep and wake up to them. After I look up for breakfast, I'm going to play with Aiden. I don't know what. I'm going to start up to sleep again. Start up to sleep again. Just more chips. And when I come carry the juice too.
More chips.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Watch out, watch out. Watch him. I'm saying bright. Oh my God. Well, I wish I didn't have to go, but I have to. We I tricked my husband and told him I can't find my passport. And yesterday he was like, I can't believe I can't find your passport. I try to save it up.
Can put this in a Ziploc.
Okay.
Also buy this. So the tortilla chips from Caldi as well.
I think I move the mouse and I look on the camera screen. I'm smart, you know. I'm telling you, I'm smart. I'm smart. No box cover. Yeah. You want to know? Drink a beer now, man. My sister drink. She drink. A 2% alcohol still.
It's 3.
This large, she correct me. She said it's more than that.
It's 3.
It's actually 3.
But apart from wine or champagne, like a little rosé that I'll have on special occasions, which is really difficult for me.
This video is not sponsored, so let me take off this.
It's fine.
You'll have to sponsor us first. Yes, this is what I'm drinking now. This clear buckle.
This you can't have, you know.
Both open. Both open. Here. Watch your face now, guys. You can't see him? When him drink, him know when him a drink something when I'm not for him juice, you know, watch him face. And him still a drink it in the cause of juice. Watch your face. Wee. 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 You look so cute. But open him one beer. I might tell your mother for open the beer. What flavor that? Apple?
Actually, you know, wait.